Hello.
Hi guys.
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Angel.
And we're the Makers HQ. Okay, so we're a married couple who purchased a heat press this year. And we're on a quest to make sure that we can test as many things as possible so that we can get to know this machine and what it does, okay? So before we get started real fast, I want to thank everyone who's been following us. Thank you very much.
Yes.
And if this video also brings you value, please
Subscribe, like and subscribe.
yes. Okay, so today's video is all about HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. I only say that because sometimes on YouTube, it'll just say like HTV, and for the longest time, I couldn't figure out what it was. And I was like, okay, wait, let me just look it up. And it's basically vinyl, right? So what we decided to do is we are going to be transferring, or rather heat pressing, the vinyl onto a shirt, and then we're going to actually do a sublimation process so that we can add color to the letters, right?
Yes, or the design.
To the design,
Yes,
exactly.
that's what we're gonna do.
So let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to be doing two t-shirts. The first one is actually a t-shirt that I had in my wardrobe and that I don't wear, but I thought that with one of my drawings it would be super cute, so I'm going to be putting it here. And I think in a way that's an advantage of being creative, because sometimes you'll find things that you want to test, like in this case, and you just look at things that you have. You don't have to go and purchase something. Like if something is 100% cotton, such as is this case, even though it feels a little bit like a very nice cotton, then you'll be able to gauge, right? And then we're gonna be doing another t-shirt for Ankel's design, and it's not 100%. I think it's
95.5 spandex.
Yeah, exactly. So it's gonna both take the vinyl very well. Regardless of anything, vinyl looks good and takes well on different materials. So that's not what we're worried about. We're just, we're excited to see the different sizes. So
yes.
This will be a full design, right? On the breast, and then the other one will be across the chest.
Yes. So this is gonna be the base for the design. So how it works is this is the vinyl, this is the shiny side, and then you have the matte side on this here. So with the shiny side facing up, you put it on your fabric, and then you press it, right?
And then you take it off when
yes.
it cools down a few minutes, because it's basically a protective plastic.
Exactly, and then you take off the clear plastic, and it will leave the vinyl under. Which is this one, the one that we bought is shiny, and they also have a matte vinyl, but we didn't get it, we just got the shiny one. So that's how we're gonna do it.
Yes, and we're also, like last time in another one of our videos, we are doing letters, and we don't have a Cricut or a silhouette, so we hand cut everything. Actually, Anked hand cut everything, and so he's going to, it's not like it needs to be weeded or it comes on a carrier plastic. He's going to put the actual plastic, the actual vinyl on. And so what we're gonna do is, because we want to make sure that the machine isn't too hot, we're going to first do this, and then with the vinyl, and then we'll do the part of actually doing the sublimation.
So we're gonna press this for 300 degrees, 15 seconds at 300 degrees, or 15 seconds at 150 Celsius.
Yes.
So 300 Fahrenheit and 150 Celsius. So you cover it.
And always make sure that you follow each manufacturer's instructions, okay? Because this is the instructions for this one, but for sure, depending on which company you use, they have different times for the vinyl.
So 3, 2, 1. So here, so now you let it like rest for a few seconds.
Anyway, you wouldn't even be able to take it off.
Yeah, and then you you go and just peel the plastic off.
Are you able to catch it?
Yeah, see? Comes off. Nice. And it leaves, and you just see, this is the plastic, it's a clear plastic, and it leaves the vinyl under. The vinyl is shiny, okay? And then you let it, so we're gonna do this one first, like this. We're gonna do this one, and then we're gonna sublimate a design on it. But we're gonna let this one like rest, get like cool off, and then we're gonna do the other one, the other design that we have.
So just to say that usually we would pre-press and remove any lint. I mean, not usually, we did, but we just didn't do it when we were on. So for this one, we're just gonna pre-press for a couple of seconds to just get it ready for the letters, as well as just to remove the wrinkles. And now, place the letters, the hand-cut letters.
These are hand-cut letters, as you can see. They are all like crazy, but I did my best.
I find that they look great. I don't think that they look
cool.
so crazy.
I mean,
I'm teasing.
what can go wrong?
No, you have the A, sorry.
So this is gonna be the letter. I was thinking maybe putting them like this.
This one looks a little bit nuts.
But if it's an extra piece,
should we cut that tiny piece, or do you think it's gonna be okay?
it's good. I feel like it's nice.
He said it's good.
It's good.
Oh
Don't
my God,
worry.
that's it. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Well,
So
the nice
I don't
thing
know if
is
I should put it all of them like this, because this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna put it like this, but I don't want this just to be white. So what I did, I sublimated. I did the same design, but with inside the letters color, like black and some kind of like what you will see. So, and then this goes like, yes, she knows. I got confused for 1 second.
You would have been here all
so
day.
See, so you put it on top. So we're gonna do the letters first, and then.
Well, this is my suggestion. If you were to do it straight, it would look like more classic.
Yeah, I would just do it just because the lines inside.
That's it.
They're
So
cool, so
like
I think I will do it like this: one up, one down.
It looks like there's movement.
Yes, and I'm gonna do the C and the C like this, just tiny bit. You know, you don't have to follow the rules.
This is definitely not a rules type of video.
No.
This is a fun, artistic.
Yes. So like this, it's gonna look like this. Wait, let me. I want it to look nice. Okay.
Okay.
So that's what we're gonna do. So.
And we're good in terms of pieces.
I think so. Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
in terms of width, yeah.
I feel like this. Yeah. This is good.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna press it. 15 seconds.
15 seconds at 150 or 300
Celsius, yeah, 305.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. So now comes the monumental task of taking off the plastic.
Wait a couple of seconds.
Yeah, just. So I start here.
And I'll start here.
This we're gonna speed up this.
Except,
you take off the thing.
Yeah, I think it's still too hot. I can't take anything out.
Me neither.
Ah, there you go. I got an A.
Ah, this one too. The eye is out. It's confusing how this works.
It's because it's hot right now.
This one is out.
I can't take anything off.
This one is out.
Okay. I'll be your helper. That's also why you have the carrier sheet usually, so that you can just...
This one is out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so all of them are out.
The C's not out.
The C is not out, okay.
Exactly. So basically, you do have to let it cool a couple of seconds so that it you're able to take it off. And when you have the carrier, that's what it's called?
This
the
is
carrier
nice.
sheet?
Yes, the carrier sheet.
The carrier sheet,
So-
then it just does it all at once.
This is how it looks, right? And then
that's cool.
actually it looks nice white, but I think with the sublimation on top, it's gonna look even better. I think, I don't know.
Well, now we have no choice. We have to basically go with what we said we would do.
You have to try. So
Okay.
now we're gonna go with the other design. the tiny cat, which is very nice.
I don't know where I put my cat.
Oh, the cat just escaped the. You know cats. Okay, so this is the design, right?
It's a tiny girl that's a cat.
It's a cat. See, she's super cute. So when you do this type of vinyls, usually you cut the size the same as the vinyl, right? Usually you follow the shape. But if you think about it, if you do this vinyl, it means you're sublimated on either dark or cotton color or cotton fabric. Otherwise, if it's polyester, you would just you wouldn't use this. You would just sublimate it straight. So I don't think it matters like how much even you cut the paper, like how much you follow the shape, because it's not gonna sublimate on the cotton. It's not supposed to sublimate. So in this case, we did cut it like almost the same shape. But if I feel like if we leave any more paper around and we put it on the fabric, it's not gonna sublimate because it makes no sense.
Technically,
but it can happen. It can happen that it might transfer a little bit of color, a bit very light. So usually we recommend you cut it like at the same shape of your. And
especially if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette or a vinyl cutter.
No, here like, is because we'll do everything
just
like.
Us, we're doing it old school. Okay, let's go.
So here we go. This is like a regular sublimation. And with the heavy because it's like, oh, ooh, so nice.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Wow.
Oh, I'm so happy with the result. I won't lie. I was like, I don't know how it's gonna look, but this is super cute. Oh, I love it. Ah, nice. It's a cat, and it says chat, which means kitty in French. I absolutely love it. Look. So I didn't like this shirt. I mean, I liked it when I bought it, but then I didn't like it. But now I'm gonna wear it. And I think that's cool because with a sublimation machine, you can always.
How is the see?
I mean, it feels kind of
plasticky.
Yeah.
But we find this kind of like process everywhere. Like t-shirts, even brands use this kind of process. I think because I have felt, you can still feel it.
But I personally,
don't know what they use, but this feels plasticky.
But see, right? This is what I was saying with the vinyls before we even did them. I was reticent to use them because usually it's because I'm like, it's gonna not do it. But this time, I don't like the hand of vinyl when it's plasticky, and most of the time it feels plasticky. So that's the part where I'm still like, it's not my favorite.
And also maybe small things work fine.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna do letters now. Maybe small things that don't, like when you touch them, even though they feel plasticky, but it's not a whole, like if we had done like something like, I don't know, like 8 by 8 inches, that would be like too much. It wouldn't look nice. And it would be also heavy.
Yeah, for sure.
This thing feels plasticky. It's plastic, basically.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try something.
Now we're gonna sublimate this one. So this one, we're gonna place it. Let me move it closer so we can see in the video. So I'm gonna place.
Are you gonna sublimate it with this, or you're gonna move it afterwards?
No, it's fine. Yeah, I can sublimate it with this. The neck is very low, very thin. So this one, each letter is gonna. I'm gonna place the letters one on top of each other.
Are you trying to be exactly on the letters?
Yes.
Ooh.
Why? This one is gonna go here. I mean, they are supposed to go exactly because I cut them. See, this one is a little bit bigger, but not a big deal because the design is inside the letter, so it's mostly black, and the design is what I want, not anything else. Now this one I don't even know how it goes.
Yes.
Like this. Right?
Yes.
It goes here, and then the eye.
Oh, maybe the eye has a
shape.
Yeah, like maybe it follows something because look, this
they
is
all
the
follow something.
Yeah, but like make sure that the eye, like I would match these.
Oh, so I have to put them like this.
Or upside down.
Like this.
Yes.
This one like so the two.
Wait.
No, like this. So the yellow is on this side,
Exactly.
and the yellow is on this side. Okay. So this one like this, and this. Okay. I recommend use tape for one. So this one is gonna go
says tiny in front of everything.
Tiny. Everything is tiny to me. Again, this is just regular sublimation. We're sublimating on the vinyl. So it's just regular sublimation.
HTV.
Yeah, HTV. Like if you were sublimating on a t-shirt, on a polyester t-shirt. So it's gonna be 35 seconds, 400 degrees or 30 something to 395 Celsius Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. So here is 30 seconds. Ooh, opa.
Why does it look like
smoke.
it burned?
Jesus. Okay.
I think the letter
smells like something. Oh wow.
Oh my god.
This is crazy.
I actually like the little white thing that because the letters move.
Yeah, because they are not. Oh can't say that. Shut up.
These are great. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Right? This is actually awesome. Wait, let me take this off.
Look. So like this. Oh wow.
I think we went a little overboard with the sublimation though because the house is smelling crazy.
I know. I don't know why it smells like something is burning. But look at this.
Yeah, that looks great.
It looks super cool.
That looks really awesome.
And then the white things, the white edges that you see is what I missed because the letters were not cut at the same. Like
that's why you need a Cricut.
That's why you need a Cricut. See, but for showing, demonstration purposes, you just do it by hand. And now I got like a how do you call this? Like a stroke? No,
yeah, it is like a stroke.
A white stroke.
It's like a tiny border.
You got an artistic this thing now. So this is the shirt.
I love it. Let me show my shirt.
Super nice.
So this is a tiny recap because there's nothing much more to it. So this is my shirt with my design. Leave us in the comments which one is you prefer.
So
I love
that's it. I mean, I hope you guys learned something. Remember, you can do this on any fabric, cotton, whatever you want. You put the shiny side up. You place it 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you glue it.
Depending on the company that you use.
Yeah, exactly. And then you peel off the plastic and then you just sublimate on it. Whatever design you want, you just sublimate on it and you get a shiny, very colorful design or a matte design. If you buy the matte vinyl, you get a matte design. So,
or if you just want to leave the vinyl without putting a sublimation
like I did with this
one.
Cardio is said, but it wasn't white. But I felt like it was too plain.
This one is super
This
cool.
one added something cooler to it. So here, show yours here. So we see you on the way out, guys. Bye.
Yes, as always, so much fun when we're doing this. I have to say that I love doing these videos with my husband. It's a lot of fun. And so thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please
like and subscribe.
Yes. And we'll see you next time. All right. Thank you.
Bye, guys.